Module Technical Course, Internet of Things, Lecture 1, Introduction to the course. The task of learning IoT technologies is relevant and aimed at formation of knowledge in the field of IoT modern software and hardware, as well as practical skills in using existing platforms and devices and developing new ones. Let's discuss the course structure and basic terms related to IoT systems and technologies. After completing this course, the student will have a deep understanding of IoT solutions and will be able to discuss IoT ideas in specific areas of expertise, in particular, industrial systems. The knowledge that the student will gain as a result of the course is: student understands what constitutes an IoT design solution. Student can explain the component parts of an IoT network and its connections. Student recognizes and can name the software and hardware needs of an IoT project. Student can explain how data is managed in an IoT network. The skills that the student will gain as a result of the course are: student can identify the sensors and other devices needed for different IoT solutions. Student can make a basic electronic design as applied to IoT sensors and embedded controllers. Student can map out an IoT system incorporating specific devices. Student can analyze protocols and determine best fit for different IoT applications. The competencies that the student will gain as a result of the course are: student can evaluate different infrastructure components and network systems. Student gains a deep appreciation of IoT solutions and can brainstorm about IoT ideas within specific areas of expertise. The full program of the course includes 4 lectures, set of laboratory works that are aimed at creating and studying a prototype of the IoT system using online engineering tools, cloud platforms, and IoT devices, as well as case study, research and development of a remote monitoring system based on cloud and wireless technologies. So, what is IoT and how it works? Let's watch this video to understand.
By now, you may have heard the term Internet of Things. Sounds interesting, but what does the Internet of Things actually mean? IoT is an evolution of mobile, home, and embedded applications that are being connected to the Internet, integrating greater compute capabilities and using data analytics to extract meaningful information. Billions of devices will be connected to the Internet, and soon, hundreds of billions of devices. As related devices connect with each other, they can become an intelligent system of systems. And when these intelligent devices and systems of systems share data over the cloud and analyze it, they can transform our businesses, our lives, and our world in countless ways. Whether it's improving medical outcomes, creating better products faster with lower development costs, making shopping more enjoyable, or optimizing energy generation and consumption. Here's an example of the big picture. Imagine an intelligent device such as a smart traffic camera. The camera can monitor the road for congestion, accidents, and weather conditions, and communicate that status to a gateway that combines it with data from other cameras, creating an intelligent citywide traffic system. Now, imagine that intelligent traffic system connected to other citywide transportation systems, which get data from their own intelligent devices, creating an ever larger intelligent system of systems. The really big possibilities come from analyzing the end-to-end data across that system of systems. For example, let's say the city's intelligent traffic system detects massive congestion due to an accident. That insight can be sent to the citywide transportation system, which can analyze the accident's impact on other city systems. Recognizing the accident is near the airport and 2 city schools, it could notify those systems so they can adjust flight and school schedules. It can also analyze and derive optimal routes around the accident and send those instructions to the city's digital signage system to guide drivers around the accident. And that's just one example of the potential benefits that can happen when intelligent devices share insight with other systems, forming ever-expanding systems of systems.
Thus, Internet today is not only environment for communication and information exchange between people, but also a technology for interaction between customers, things, and devices. The Internet of Things is a concept that allows to control and monitor every sensor, device, or system connected to the Internet from anywhere and at any time. Already today, thanks to IoT technologies, the world is beginning to interact with physical and virtual things and devices in other way. IoT technologies greatly expand the possibilities of collecting, analyzing, and disseminating data that humanity can transform into information and knowledge. IoT opens up new perspectives and gives more opportunities to increase economic efficiency by automating processes in various fields of activity. The main segments of IoT application today are manufacturing, energy, and transport. The IoT market is growing rapidly and has an increasing impact on society, industry, and business. The main principles of IoT development strategy are safety, energy efficiency, analytics, and unification. Of course, there are still many issues that need to be addressed. More and more new unique IP addresses, sensors, autonomous power supply, certification of IoT devices, protection of personal information, etc. Despite the growing popularity, the IoT technologies still have certain drawbacks and unsolved issues that hinder their comprehensive integration into industrial production. These are the problems of introducing standardization, ensuring an appropriate level of security and confidentiality, reducing the cost of implementing IoT system, combining it with cloud technologies, etc. Therefore, the further development of the IoT technologies is an urgent task for both scientists and industrialists. IoT infrastructure combines three levels. They are devices, gateways, and data system. Almost any physical object can be transformed into an IoT device if it can be connected to the Internet to control and transmit information. Gateways are capable of collecting data from devices and then sending it to the cloud or data center. Data system is based on a large number of servers. A server is a computer that provides services to users and allows complex computing processes to be carried out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The cloud, on the other hand, allows the client to pay only for the services used without spending money on expensive server equipment and its maintenance. IoT platform is a software for connecting IoT devices, sensors, controllers, etc. to the cloud and accessing them remotely. Therefore, IoT platform allows creating, testing, and deploying IoT applications based on connected smart devices. So, the impact of the IoT on the activities of companies is increasing. Smart connected products and the data they generate are transforming traditional business functions, sometimes significantly. The introduction of the Internet of Things technologies in industrial production allows enterprises and companies to reduce operating costs, increase production uptime, and accordingly increase production volumes and reduce its cost. For example, continuous monitoring of production processes can ensure timely maintenance of equipment and improve the level of product quality control. That's why the industry wants to effectively design and deploy modern smart connected products, and it needs the relevant professionals with a wide range of knowledge and skills in business intelligence, hardware engineering, information security, and Internet of Things. On the slide, you can see a list of recommended sources of information. Thank you for your attention.